Meanwhile, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has hit back at the opposition leader for his comments surrounding the government's decision to extend the retirement age for the Director of Public Prosecutions DPP from 60 to 65 years.
It has been on the cards from 2016, 2017. And regrettably, for the leader of the opposition in Parliament to impute that there are 6 parliamentarians who are being questioned from reports of the Integrity Commission, and the Director of Public Prosecution can overrule what the Director of Corruption Proceedings in the IC can do, is so unfair and unbecoming.
Mr. Chuck, while arguing that the DPP has exercised professionalism and integrity, questioned the judgment of the opposition leader.
And I find it most unfortunate that any imputation at this time should be directed at her. And I think the leader of the opposition, by making and speculating by his comments, has shown his leadership to be questionable.